Hello, hello, hello. How is everybody doing? Good. Get thumbs up. Take it easy. Take it easy. Yeah, you know I love you all, right? Especially you, Kitty. Don't take it too hard on the thumbs up. All right, how's everybody doing? Tim, yo. What happened, Tim? Long story. She's in attitude today, so careful. But that's how I talk. You know that. Anyways, how you guys doing? How was the day? How was the day? The prices still continue pushing it up. We can expect a nice push for these weeks, and furthermore, this trade is taken based on the daily and 4-hour flip, and we are being in very bullish momentum. That's why we'll keep buying the market. Whenever the market push up higher, we go more raw. Yep. Yes, sir. Did, did you guys take anything yet? Or no? Are you still waiting for the signal? Hi, hey baller, what's up? About at 44.74 on the flip, right there. Good song, Wajid Bhai. How are you? Long time no see, Wajid Bhai. How's everything? Yeah, once the price starts breaking this highs, which is around 44.86, the previous week, that's the point where I'm gonna do the BE. Otherwise, it's a very minor stop below this current daily flip or 4 hour or hourly. But so far, it looks good for buy side. Spark, Mr. Spark, what's up? Yeah, all we need is just some volume. Anyway, good, and I hope you're good too, brother. Yes, I'm good, man. Thank you. Alhamdulillah. Yeah, all we need right now is just some volume which can push the price up. That's it. That's all we want to see. No, some volume coming in and a easy push. Right now, this plane is getting some fuel. Once it get enough fuel, oh man, we might gonna see some push up. All right, it's getting some fuel right here. Right here. If the 4 hour or daily flip, I might need to close this trade though. Let's see. But I'm not gonna do the BE right now because there is most likely the price gonna push, touch the zone, and then might go up. the safe break even once it gives this wake fill with the previous daily or 4 hour, and then you can do the break even, or I'm gonna do the break even. And if it come down, take me out. Let's say, so yeah, let's say if the price here flip, come down, push down, touch this zone, and then flip again for the buy side, that's going to be the some full port buys at that point. Okay, until then it's gonna go with this very very slow pace, right? Once the volume starts coming in, it's gonna keep continue pushing the price upside. So this hourly is about to close. The next one, yeah, people who want to get into this buys, maybe on the flip of the next hourly you can do that, because high time frames are screaming for buys, screaming. It's not very far from that, like 30 more ticks I want to see, because this is a little bit turbulent zone, right? So once we clear this out, once it cleared this out this week, then I think it's going to be more safe. And once the in the lower time frame the candle starts closing about 44.90s, it's going to be even better. Like, I would say more confirmation for the price to start pushing further upside. Okay, but the other thing which we need to be cautious about, price can touch if it starts creating wicks. You see here previously it create those wicks whenever the price touches, so it's coming again. It's been trying since August, right? So let's zoom out a little bit. Okay, so it's been trying to break that zone for 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, so past 5 days, and today is 6th. If it able to achieve and give a closure above this zone, then yes, we're gonna see, which is most likely. Why? Because if you see from below, right, when the price starts pushing up, you see here what happened. Price, a big push up, then a little bit rejection, a big push up, then starts ranging. The more the price range, the bigger the breakout. If it gives another daily closure above this zone, then it's going to be another big push up. But if the price, let's say, reject again, most likely uh, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we might see the price coming down back in the range. It's the good thing about our strategy. You can compare like lower time frames and the high time frames, but also you can use the exact same mindset or uh, the thing in the strategy. You can apply that on the higher time frames. Let's say you can apply on the dailies, 4 hour, 30, 1 hour, 15 minute, right? So it works the same exact way. So the same thing, but let's say when we try to get into the trade, like we look for like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, like we use the same analogy, like uh, same concept about this strategy. So that's why I'm looking at the same thing on the daily as well. So price has been trying to break this. If it able to do this today or maybe tomorrow, who knows, right? Then yes, we are still in very very bullish momentum. How we know? If you look at the monthly and weekly, they will give you a bigger perspective of the market. Okay, so easy peasy, guys. Okay, new hourly open. It might gonna come down, create some lower wick. If it reject like this, then it is what it is. Yo, all, hey Shwe, what's up, man? How you doing? Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, on the flip of this hourly, where is this? Yeah, on the flip of this hourly, you can if you want to get in, or if you want to, I wouldn't add more because the price is still on that. Once it breaks the give a closure above, that's where I'm planning to add more. But if you miss this entry, then yes, you can look for on the flip of the hourly. Ah, all right. Fly, gold fly. Yep. Good morning, Jabril. Good morning. Okay, now once this hourly flip, it's going to be some good buys. Price is heavily bullish still. Okay. You're asking or you're telling us? Are you the another Cyro for today? Cyro something which we yesterday blocked? Price is heavily bullish still. Okay. Okay. Okay, if you said so, I believe you. Okay. Hmm. Now it looks like this hourly is trying. It's trying to push up. Let's see. The plane is, I think, needs some more uh, gas. Why? More fuel? Because it needs to, it's a long destination. The the travel is too big, so it has the big engine, bigger space, bigger capacity to travel, big, so it takes some time once it starts flying. Hello, hope you're well. Yes, thank you for hoping I'm well. Oh, hi, too early? Yeah. Mm, what's your TP level? I'm expecting around this 4500s. So that's going to be, if it flip and you take the buys on those flip, this is going to be around 170 pips or ticks. Yeah, around 200 ticks, you would say, on the flip of this hourly. Okay, that's reasonable. So far, the 4 hours still, okay. The only issue is once this daily and 4 flip towards downside, then we're gonna have some problem with this trade. Other than that, it will be fine. Maybe it's the song falling down, down, down. Maybe I need to change the song. What's up? Fan and ceiling, and maybe gold. Who knows? Please, if possible, Mr. Khwaja, why? You can ask your questions here. Okay, I'll take you. But you need to wait, not forget. But sir, what about MACD? It's negative. Yeah, that's different. If the MACD is in negative, then I think we need to close our trade and get into the sells now. Because again, it's MACD, man. But Spark, I know the MACD is uh where is that? But no, not this one. But this is the Fibonacci retracement, Spark. How can you be so sure if my Fibonacci is saying this is just a retracement and then it's gonna push up? How about that? And this is the fib level. This is the previous daily pivot level, and then now once it flips, the magic fib. Let's go a little relax right now. The volume is, once we see some volume, mm, we're gonna play my DJ. If this hourly flip now, oh man, people like, you keep saying that it's not flipping. You keep saying that, bro. You do futures, yes, ख्वाजा जी, ख्वाजा जी फ्यूचर्स करते हैं फ्यूचर्स. आप हुक्म करें सर. आपकी हिदमत में क्या कर सकते हैं. आपने सिर्फ ऑर्डर देना. दैट्स इट. Bro, I do spot. I want to discuss 4 hour trend, please. Don't look 4 hour on your spot, because it varies broker to broker and where they get the liquidity pool from. So 4 hour you're gonna get some confusion, but if you see the other time frames, for example, hourly, 30 minute, 15, 5 minute, even 1 minute, it's going to be very similar. But if you really want to focus on the 4 hour and daily, I would say look at the future markets, look at the comics, because that's coming from the same exchange. So uh, it's much better. You're gonna find much better opportunities there. I hate a pullback. Why you hate a pullback? It's good. If you hate pullback, you cannot trade. The pullbacks are, it's if you if you ever try arrow and bow, right? So what you do here, you need to squeeze that, right? The more you squeeze, and then the more it will go up. If you don't do that, if you just throw it, so that's what the pullback is. The price push up, then it needs to go a little bit back down and squeeze and then push up, you know. So never hate pullback. Always love pullback. Yeah. I love being in drawdown. I love being in retracement. It only annoys you. Mm. It only annoy you if you're not in that trend, right? So far the trend is bullish. If the price starts breaking 4465, then it's different. Then we need to use the Fibonacci and MACD and FEG for taking the cells. And don't worry, guys. Today I bring my nuts. If anybody needs, please. Hey, thanks for the heart, mate. Thanks. Appreciate it. So yeah, guys, if you want to get into this buys with me, you need to eat some. Okay. So far it looks good though. Okay, hourly flip. Hmm. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. Once it starts breaking its highs, everybody type in the chat. Push, 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 man. We need some volume now. It's been stuck in the same zone here. You know, I was up like around 10K on this account because I'm doing the copy trading, right? So I was up like 25. Then I'll add more. And now I ruined my position though. But I'm targeting around yeah, almost 150 takes from this trade. Let's see. So far it looks good. So far it looks good. Breaking those highs, the volume is coming in. The price can easily push it all the way up. I didn't take any partial. I didn't do the break even, but now I think I should because it's trying, but it's also not going. But I'm eating nuts, guys, so I'm not gonna do anything now. Either it's gonna hit my TP or my SL. Oh, no gold. I was kidding. Relax. I'll take some partials. Don't come back. Can I ask your name, please? Yes, my name is AFX. You can call me AFX. Okay. This is the fourth time the price push back at my price. FX, why you we take partials? Why you say that? You scared the market maker. What? Okay, okay. We take partials. Market maker, we take partials, okay? Don't come down, just keep continue pushing it up. We take partials. Okay, it's listening, it's listening. It's flipping again, it's trying again. It's been trying since what? since this hourly open. Come on, you can do this. Go. Okay, 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 okay. Nice, nice, nice. Everybody, breathe with me. Let's do some yoga. Because at this point, we cannot do, yeah, the only thing you can do here, just do the break even, take your partials if you want to do it. But if you eat nuts like me, you don't have to do that as well. No, what? Gussa? Okay. Hi, bro. Hey, Hamza, what's up? Which pair is this? This is Bitcoin. Bro, next target to the moon. Hello, Mr. Critch Critch. What's up? Are you critching today as well? Once it breaks these highs, guys, this plane have no destination after that. Right now, it's still fueling, right? It's still getting more fuel. Once it breaks these highs, it's not gonna give you any chance. It's just gonna keep flying to the moon or maybe to the Mars. Who knows? Dollar? What you mean dollar? Okay. Trying again. Guys, I'm copying 5 accounts. So I'm basically, breaking highs. Come on. You can do this, God. You can do this. Only I need 100 ticks more. That's it. 100 ticks more. That's it. You can do this. You can do this. Come on. I'll be so mad if it come back again at the entry, man. You know, if I just scalping in this, up, down, up, down, up, down. Today, good mood. Who's good mood? Gold or mine? So what you trying to say? You would be icy. What? No, Mr. Kopri. I don't know what's your name. Miracle. What you mean by good mood? Are you talking about my mood or are you talking about the market's mood? Both of you. Mm. So why you say that? Why you say I'm in good mood? I'm in good mood every single day. Kitty is not available today? No, she's here. She always here. Empty price is not same. Mr. Pips, can you tell me? Okay, I give you 1 minute to find out. Mr. Pips, okay, let me start the timer. Wait. I really like this question though. Guys, 1 minute is fine or 30 seconds? Oh, 1 minute. Let him give 1 minute. It's fine. Okay, Mr. Pips, you have you have 1 minute to find out why the price is different. After that, you will be banned from this live forever. You can use Google, you can use ChatGPT, you can use Grok, you can use anything you want. 40 seconds. 30 seconds. Mods, after 30 seconds, if Mr. Pips didn't respond with his answer, ban him. You better know. Yes, exactly. His name is Mr. Pips. He better know this. All right, 5 seconds. Mr. Pips. All right, guys, ban him. Ban Mr. Pips. He didn't give the answer on the right time. I can respond? No. If you ask dumb questions, you're the one who's gonna uh, respond on that. If you weren't able to answer that, sorry, you can go. All right, so far it's trying to push up again. Let's see. Man, if I'm doing scalping here, I it's teasing. It's teasing. It's teasing. Should I do the BE now? But I already eat nuts, man. Break even is for, I don't want to say the word, but it's for them. 30 close soon. Forget it. Yeah, 30 close soon. And this is the volume time. This is the volume time. If the price needs to push up, this is the time. If you reject from here, oh man, you're at your own. Mm, yeah, all I want to see a nice closure above this my yellow line. That's it. After that, man, just close your eyes and enjoy the ride. It's going to be a non-stop big push-up. Maybe 100 ticks, 200 ticks, who knows. So far, price is 100 ticks above the entry, right? But I'm being greedy here. I want to make more, right? If you're up, guys, if you're up around 100, 200, I mean, no 200, like if you're up even 60, 70 ticks, do the break even now, which is I'm doing right now. Why? Because I don't want to take chance. It's been struggling. I know for sure that it will push up, but again, break evens don't hurt me. It will not hurt your account. You can always come back and take another opportunity, or you can wait for the price. Let's say if the price push down, touch this zone, because it's really, really struggling to break this. Once it gives a closure above and starts breaking this highs, then yes, for sure, I would say you can do whatever you want to do, but don't be too much greedy. Okay, so do the break even, take your partials if you want to, so in case the price take you out, you don't uh, too much panic or stress. Oh man, I didn't book anything. The other thing is, if it take you out, you can again get back in. This is the volume time next 1 hour to 30 minutes. It's good time so far. Okay, I do the BE and taking out of the position. Nice Chris song, okay. This is just a random playlist, man. I don't even know what's happening. Yeah, guys, so far enjoy the buys. Okay. I'm closing my 80, 70, 80% position, and I'm gonna wait for Tokyo Open candle because that's gonna bring some more volume, and this is gonna push up. If it breaks it, if it reject from here, then yes, we might gonna see the daily flip, the 4 hour flip, and you know market is this month and previous month. It's very weird. So I'm doing the BE now. I remove my TP in case the price push up to 300 ticks, who knows, right? So I'm BE and I already booked my profits. Now let's see. Man, when you're trading and doing copy trading with 5, 10, 20 accounts, even if you're making two, $300, man, it literally multiply with 30 accounts. Imagine the numbers. That's why I always say, man, if you start taking the payouts from one account, make it two. If you start getting two, three accounts payouts, go for five, go for 10. You don't have to risk a lot to make that money. I think it's time to call my DJ. You know who she is. Funded from you? What? Ashi, what you mean? Can I still enter Ibrahim? If I'm in your place, I'm gonna wait for this hourly closure, and if it gives me a closure above, then on the flip of the next hourly, I'm gonna get in. But again, it's your count, it's your choice, your strategy, everything is yours. Okay. But if I'm at your place and I miss the push, I would wait for this hourly closure and then I get on that one. Guys, tell me, all these Desi people, my DJ, she knows. She knows Hindi, she knows Punjabi, she knows Gujarati, she knows Nepali. That's why I like her. Snake Eye. What's new name? Snake Eye. Yeah, Snake Eye. She's my Snake Eye. Deep Era Tech. Hello. Where you based? Where I'm based? Hmm. I'm based on planet named Earth. Chicken push good, right? Noida. Yes, I'm based in Noida. Exactly. Tim, I don't know if I can say that name. TikTok and these social, they restrict me so many times. Give way today, Mr. Cuckoo. Every single day, the only comment you do in this live is give way today. And every single day, you get muted because of this. But yes, we can do the giveaway for sure. Okay. Danger, yeah. Guys, the earth is what? Round? Rick, are you here in the chat? What you say? Earth is flat. I know for sure. Oh, look at the price. The plane is about to fly. Round. Yes. So, okay, TikTok. I love TikTok show. The earth is round. The aliens are real. The dragons and the dinosaurs are real. And what else? Anything else? The COVID was true. Everybody get boosted. Please make sure you get all your vaccines. And the mermaids are also real. Anything else you guys want to add me on? Positive life. Yes, now it will push more content. Now it's like, yes, this guy is saying, yeah, about what about, yes, aliens are real. The UFO ships we see, those are real. US is the first one who landed on the moon. That's very real. Okay, price is still, ah man, I want to see a big push. That's it. That's it. That's it. It's going slow, slow, slow. At least 4500. That's still like around 100 ticks away from this our destination. I can mark it for you. Around this. How big? What what's how big, Trucker Paji? There's also high chances the price can reject and come back to the entry. By the way, today, guys, we experienced some very very good AMF, which we were discussing yesterday Asian session. So we took first the sell position, uh, right here, okay, in the New York session. Price come down a little bit and then boom, a big 15-minute candle. It didn't care about this range, nothing like that. Give a closure above, take us out. We're like, okay, okay. So market really played with us. So then we take the buys. So we make all the loss back and furthermore. And then after that, the price just range in this zone. So it, you see here, price is going step by step. I mean, range by range. So it push up. So the price push up. After that, it's range. Then another push up. After that, it's range. Another push up. After that, it's been ranging. Might be if there is another push up. Let's see. But overall, what we're doing here, we're following this trend towards upside. Once it gives a rejection from here, how we will know? If the daily starts flipping, if the daily gives a closure below, if the weekly starts flipping, then yes, we're gonna look for sell side. Trend is your friend. Just follow the trend and you'll be fine. What's your entry? Mr. S bread, what you see? What's my entry? What you think? What you think? What is my entry? I ask you, what is my entry? Mr. S bread. Are you the same guy or no? I think, yeah. I think you're the same guy who have the kids picture and I leave you alone. All right. 44.79. Okay. Yeah, so that's my entry. At this point, what you can do, बैठ के सारे प्रार्थना करो कि गोल्ड ऊपर चला जाए. Yeah, if the price rejects, most likely it's gonna drop and take you out. How high will it go? 4,500. And Joe, what is the FX strategy? Mr. Bored as Duck. You are very bored as duck as well. Yes, okay. No wonder why you asking these high IQ questions. Anybody can hop on your profile and can tell. No wonder why. No wonder why you don't know about the gold MGC. No wonder why you don't know what is AFX strategy. Hmm. No wonder why. Shorts or pajamas? Right now we're in the buys though. Okay, this hourly needs to close above this zone. So people who miss this buys, wait for this hourly closure. If this close above that, the next one, go. Guys, can you tell me if she understand this? She's dancing like, oh yeah, I understand everything. Hmm. Snake Eye. That's not him. No, sorry, man. You're late. It's not. माहौल पूरा जी बिल्कुल फुल टाइम ट्रकर भाई गरम रखना पड़ता है ना समझा करो actually you know what Tim yeah you can have it what see here what's happening here this is now gonna do some AMF here it's trying to break it it's also trying to push down as well so it's really a big fight is happening right now at this point buyers and sellers both are trying to fight with each other let's see gold hit 4500 you can yes if gold hit 4500 Tim yours everything is yours you want hourly to close above 4485 that would be very ideal though yes if above cancel if above cancel we where will go what do you mean if above cancel All right, 5 more minutes. This hour is about to close. The ideal closure is above this zone 4490s, 89 you see here, or 80, even 86. Wait, yes, around 86. Yeah, that's still reasonable, but that's very ideal if the price stay close above 4490s or 89. Tap tap, yep. Everybody do the tap tap, guys. Come on. There's going to be a nice push up. So we want to see some nice tap taps. Okay. Now, chat. Anybody have any questions? You can ask now. I try not to block you. Okay. Mr. Khwaja, are you here in the chat? Bro one? One for what? Yeah, yeah, yes, Khwaja. So yeah, you wanna hop on the call? What's your question? Or you get all your answers? Or you can just ask in the chat. Walaikum salam. Yes, Mr. Khwaja, what's up? Yeah, I'm good, I'm good. Yes. Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Hmm. Okay. What broker you're seeing on the chart? Okay, trading view you're using Oanda? Okay. All right. So, okay. Okay, how long have you been trading? Yeah, that's normal. Yeah, that's normal. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, okay. So to take out your confusion, all you have to do open the daily and weekly. You will get your answers there. Yes. Yeah. So if this daily push up, you see the daily starts pushing up from here, right? And the previously you see it gives rejection so many times. If today's daily, which is going to close tomorrow before Asian session, gives a closure above this on the X gold spot chart, like 4440s, man, it's gonna be a nice push furthermore. Because if you see the down, open the all your answers will be given in the daily, because right now you're looking at the 4 hour. So the higher time frame you will go, the more confirmation you're gonna get. Simple as it is. Yeah, you can, yes, you can switch it. We use a monthly when the monthly is about to close and the new monthly is about to open. Then we switch to the weekly when the weekly is closed and the new weekly open. And then we look for the dailies every single day, so that what happened with the previous day and what we can expect in the this session or next session. But the way we take trades, we go session to session. Okay, so for example, right now we're trading Asian session. When we're going to come back to the New York session, which we trade with our community, we're going to go back. Okay, we're going to see what happened during the London session, what happened during the Asian session every single day. So for example, today when we start our New York session, we look back. Okay, what happened uh, in the in the London session, and we see the price. It's basically just range for whole session. And Mr. Spark, he the market is being spanking him for a long time. So yes, that helps you a lot. But also, like, if you want to see the trends and what's happening in the upcoming days or what happened in the past, just go with the daily. Wherever wherever you get the confusion from, let's say if you're having confusion from getting into, like, you don't understand it's gonna reject, or like what's the trend, like for example you're having confusion in the 4 hour, just switch to the daily and it will give you better picture. If you have confusion in the daily, just switch to the weekly. If you're still having problem, look at the monthly, what's happening in the monthly candle as well. But that's for like the bigger perspective, okay, where the price can go. But the way we trade, because we at least take 1 or 2 entries per session, so we cannot really rely on waiting for the closures for the dailies or for the weeklies. We need to look for maybe like 4 hour, what's happening in the 4 hour. Okay, daily is flipping. It's mean once the price starts breaking its highs and you see there is volume time and the price is pushing up, most likely price respect those zones and keep continue pushing all the way towards upside. That's why I'm targeting around 4500s. Okay. Okay. No, no, we don't trade swing trades. uh we take entries on the 15 minute. The lowest time frame we use is 15. The higher we can go for the 4 for each day. But the why I'm telling you to look at those higher time frames, the dailies and weeklies, it will give you a bigger perspective for the price, like where it's going. Yeah, that's the hmm. No, it's the exact same. The future price you see, it is just the difference of the price. But if you open the hourly candle for the futures and hourly candle of your gold spot, it's moving the exact same way. So for example, I'm opening, this is XAUSD chart, okay, and this is the hourly chart right now here. And now I'm going to show you the hourly chart of the XAUSD. Can you tell any difference? No. Mm-hmm. Yeah, the price, yeah, you're gonna see the difference in price, yes. No, 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 you cannot. If you think, okay, maybe the future price is here, you can try to predict, okay, maybe the gold price, the spot price will follow that. No, because it will change. When the contract expires, the new price, you don't know. It's gonna go up or down, it depends on that time. So it did not follow that price at all. Yeah, yeah, okay, no worries. So, yeah, all right, no worries, man. Yeah, so where you live? You live in US? Oh, UK. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, in UK I see so many people they trade in gold spot because and you trade your personal capital. Okay. Do you have any experience with the pro firm? Okay, demo doesn't work. Demo doesn't work. If you think demo is gonna get, yeah, if you think you're gonna do anything, even backtesting on demo, it's not gonna work. Maybe you'll be very, oh, I'm very good in the demo and all that. I'm making this money. No, it's it's not gonna help you. Anyways, um, if you wanna try futures or if you wanna try with the pro firm, it will. And if you're still struggling learning about the markets, I would say try one time with the futures. Okay, uh, they will provide you, the pro firm will provide you the platform, it will give you everything, and it will give you good capital as well. So you have the basic idea how it works, right? Or no? You have the, do you know how it works? Like you, they give you the, y- yeah, you don't have to deal with that. The pro firm which we work with, they have very good options. You can choose however you want to do this. You can go directly to the funded, you can do uh, eval. You, it's just one stage, and it's like basically you're trading your own personal capital, and it gives you very good leverage, especially if you're losing in your beginning days, or like you said, like you've been trading for a few years now, and you still looks like you're struggling. Once you put your personal capital in your account, once you blow it, everything is gone. But with the pro firms, with the futures, right, especially I don't go with the CFD anymore because they are very scammy. They don't pay you. uh, they start making excuses when you start doing the apply for the payout. Anyways, once you get with the pro firm, you will pay them, I don't know, maybe 60, 70, 80 pounds, and they're going to give you a 50K account, and they give you $2,000 drawdown and $3,000 profit target. Once you hit your profit target, you have the funded account, and that funded account you can trade as your personal capital. So you basically paying them $80, $90, and they will give you a $2,000 account, and you can trade however you want. You can trade news. You don't have to deal with any other BS in that. If you want to try it, uh, we have the free Discord as well. You can come there, ask questions. Who is available, he will try to help you out. Okay. Yeah, do not DM me. Yeah, do not DM me. It's better if you message in the journal chat in the Discord. That's where I will be more active than DM me and all that, because I don't really check those, to be honest. Okay. Yeah, yeah, the link is, yeah, the link, yeah, the link is in the bio. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. All right. Take care, man. No worries. Assalamu alaikum. I made 1477. I snoozed. Mr. Josh, you snooze, you lose. Yeah, now the people, we the people. What you need to do here on the flip of this hourly? Did you exit? No, I'm still in. I'm still holding, man. This, it's not taking me out. It's not giving me what I want, so I'm still holding that. Let's see. Order flow seco Mr. Critch Critch. Man. Okay, tell me, Mr. Critch Critch. If you taking these good setups, if you're making money, if you're getting 100, 200, 300 ticks from the market without using any indicator, without using order flow, without using volume profile, without using EMAs, DMAs, Fibonacci's, all these fancy strategies, you're making money with just simple price action. Just draw some zones and you need to wait for the price and wait for those confirmations, and you can make money. On the other side, people who use all these things and they still don't make money. So don't you think maybe that's the reason they're not making money, because they make it complicated for themselves? Have you ever thought about that? Which platform for funding? What platform you're trading with? If you're trading with the Lucid, then TradeC, because Trade08, it's not for the beginners. As per your experience, appreciate if you could answer what, James? I didn't see your question. Can you ask your question again? Maybe it's filtered out. Or you can come on the call if you want to do that. Sure, call, okay. Yeah, Maud, can you invite Mr. James? And guys, we have free Discord. The link is in the bio. If you want to join that, please do not DM me or ask anything. All the questions you have, you can ask in the general chat. Yes, Mr. James, what's up? Good, man, good. Yes. Mm-hmm. To be honest, I don't use third-party trade copier, because I like to trade all the pro firms in their own platform. So what I use TraderWeight. So I use their uh, in platform copy trading, and I keep my all accounts separate. So for example, with the one firm, if I have five accounts, with the for example right here with this account, I have five other accounts with this. So I'm gonna copy trade all this together. Then I have with the Lucid, I'm gonna trade them separately. I have with the TPTs and I have with the Apex. I'm gonna trade them separately. But if you want to test out with the trade copier. Trucker Trader, are you here in the chat? We have somebody here who owns trade copier. It's are you trading on the Ninja Trader or TradeAway? Yeah, yeah, I'm asking you. No, your what platform you use for trading? Traders Connect? Oh, Ninja Trader. Yes, he's on Ninja Trader. Let me check if he's in the chat. He have the trade copier. So what platform you trade with? FTM. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, and where you based? Where you live? Canada. Yeah. So do you trade with the future market or no? Why? Why? No, but why FTM? Why don't there are a bunch of good like Top Step and Lucid and why don't you should try? It's way better, man. It's gonna completely change your life. No FTMO. So what are their rules? Tell me. Okay. 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 So you can trade news on that? Okay, and is there any limitation like you need to hold your trade for few minutes or something like that? Or no? With swing account, no. Okay. So so you only trade swing? Y- type, okay. Okay. All right. Okay, all right. So all right. So you have the swing account with them, yes. So they give you the Ninja Trader platform to trade on? Okay. Yeah. Yes, yeah, they will provide you everything. So yeah, so they will provide you the all the platform, like everything. You don't have to pay anything extra except the evaluation fee, which is very, very cheap. And this is just one phase. You don't have to go through twice. So one phase, you can read all their rules, FAQs. My most favorite, I use Lucid Flex one because they are very, very flexible. It's like you're trading your own capital. The only rule on the evaluation is 50% consistency, which means like, for example, if you get the 50K, you need to make 3,000 profit target, so you cannot make more than 1,500 in day one. So you can pass in day twos, but even if you make more than 1,500, let's say, right, which is stupid, you can also lose, and below 1,500 if you make more than that, the only thing they're going to do is increase your profit target, profit goal. That's it. You're not going to breach your account. Once you get funded, once you make 3K, your infinite state is basically you're trading your own. But with the future market, it's a little different as compared to the CFD or you're trading with FTMO. What we do here, we do copy trading, right? And all the platforms. So for example, if you get the TradeC, they have the in-house software where you can, let's say, get five Lucid accounts. You can make one leader and four followers. So whatever you're gonna take the trade on the one, it's gonna automatically gonna do with all the four other accounts as well. The same exact trades. The only thing which future pro firms don't like is hedging. You know about the hedging, right? Yeah. So they don't like to buy in one account and sell on. Yes. That's the only thing you need to careful. But if you're copy trading all five accounts, I think you should be fine. Yeah. Yeah. It's very basic rules. You can just go their FAQ. They will very detailed and never any issue with the payout, especially if you're living in Canada and US. This is very good pro firm, right? They're at the top right now. They pay, I think, more, way more than FTMO, I would say, right? It's uh I think they pay more than split is 90 or 80%. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 80, yeah, 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 yeah. No worries, man. Yeah. If you have any questions, just ask in the Discord, okay? Yeah, all right, take care. Bye. Absolutely best perform when it comes to consistency. I never heard anyone with yeah, problems. Yeah, yeah, no problems, man. No problems at all. I mean, I always withdraw payouts in 3 to 5 minutes, max 10 minutes, the money is out. They approve the payout, no questions asked, but make sure you do your verification, the KYC. That's it. That's the only thing. By the way, the price, take me out. I'm out from that. So it didn't give me 4,500. Now what? Now I need to get back in, do the revenge trading. How dare the market take me out? My first period was my longest because of the, yeah. Did you take partial? Yeah, Spark. I do take. Come on, Spark. Do I look that person? Yeah, I took the partials. I was up. I don't know, maybe like how far around 130 ticks. I want to like push up maybe 40 50 more ticks. I was taking my full TP around 4500, but it is what it is. Silly gold? No, it's not silly. It's good. I like it. Yeah, you need to careful once the daily and 4 hour starts flipping. That's where we have some issue. Other than that, everything is good. By the way, Mr. Mohammed, are you here in the chat? The our freshie, new VIP. Okay, back in the range. I think it's gonna reject and push down. Maybe. So now should we get into the cells since we out from the pies? It looks like now it will start pushing down. Is the entry still valid? I mean, I'm out from that entry, so 30 is about to close back in the range, so I think it's gonna drop once this. Okay, so if you're asking for validation, look at the 4 hour and daily. Once you see those are starts breaking or flipping lows, man, then no. Yeah, 30 is about to close and it looks like it's going to close bearish. Hmm. Price is back in the range. So at this point, what you can do here, you can wait for this 30 closure and wait for the next flip. Meanwhile, the 4 hour and daily also flipping, and you can get back into the sell side if you want to take that. But if this hourly flip all the way upside, there's going to be another long buy push. The stops are going to be on the high top of this. This is going to be something like this. Yeah, price is back in the range, guys. So we need to wait for this closure and see. Okay. 30 close back in the range. Now, if this current 30 gives a top wick on the flip of the next one, you can look for some sell side because the price rejects again towards upside. Okay. I'm here, bro. Okay, Mr. Dublin Cars. Who are you? Who are you, Mr. Here, bro? Mr. Ramon, you will be blocked forever. Or this 30 is trying to create some topic on the flip of that. Hmm, sell entries. Hmm. Why the chat is so quiet, guys? What happened? क्यों सबको सांप सूख गया? Alright, the 30 is flipping. Hmm. Alright, wait for this hourly closure and then we'll see. Roar. Roar. We have roar. No, you're just being rude to us. That's it. Listen, Kitty. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Oh, what? Wow, Kitty, Mm. Uh, mm, mm. And thumbs up. Hmm. Mm. Kitty, do you play this game? No. Mm. Anybody anybody else in the chat they play this? Or Dota 2? No, I'm thinking about it though. I used to play there's a it's the same concept called Mobile Legends, but they ban now in the US, so they have the different server. It's not Marvel. It's a Mobile Legends. So but they ban yeah, no. Mm. Okay, this one. Yeah, I never played this one. Let's see. It's on the Steam. Somebody break something. Is it 1.0 this one or 2 this one? Mm. So you cook separately for them, like with their. This is this is our. Yeah. No, but the way the 4 hour and daily flipping, it most likely it's gonna break its laws and push down. Yeah, 4 hour closure is coming in next 15. That's what I'm waiting for. No, I was checking it. Mm, but this looks like what, Fortnite? I don't play Fortnite. All right, it's still dropping. Yeah, breaking the daily lows as well. Good night. Good, good night. Good night, guys. poor, poor kids. Mm, yeah. Try again. Better luck next time. It looks like it, yeah. Because yeah, look daily and 4 hour. It's also flipping now. That's our confirmation for the bias. But if that is flipping, the daily is flipping, the 4 hour is about to close bearish. On the flip of the next one, that wouldn't be a bad trade if we look for the sells on the flip of the next one, though. Just, I mean, trail it towards, yes, there is very, very choppy though, but I mean, if you see here, so if you zoom out a little bit and you see with this big box, the range price push up, drop. If it drop, let's say, and if you count the ticks from up to there, it's like around 1000 ticks, right? So don't you think the if the price starts dropping from here, you will get at least 100 ticks out of that from out of 1000? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Or yeah, yeah. The other thing is if this daily close bearish, then it's gonna back in this range zone. So yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, so you see spark here, AMF, it's the same thing. The price literally don't care about this range, the big push down. You know, the same thing we experienced during the New York session when the price literally push up, clear this whole range, and then keep continue pushing it up for and give us like around 100, 150 ticks, right? So the same thing. Hmm? That's Spark. Can you hop on the call and explain Kitty? Very big rejection, yeah. He will explain you much better. Should should I bring FVG guys again if you want to learn that? That's one of that's one of their method though. It's chat will tell you because chat will tell you. Yeah. Chat, can you please tell Kitty or Spark? It's called FU candle. Yeah. Mr. Spark. That's his terminology. Accumulation, manipulation, and FU. That's what it means. Here he comes. He will now explain you in much more detail. Okay. And kangaroos. You have kangaroos there, right, Spark? Have you ever fight? Have you ever fight with them? They box. They do boxing. Yeah. No, 4 4 4 6. No, 6. Yeah. Hey, listen, Kitty. You will get thumbs up. Yeah. All right, take it. Take it. Shots fired. Yeah. Hmm. Yes, the other thing what you can see, if the daily flip back again in the bullish side, get back on the buys. If it starts pushing down, let's say this hourly is about to close, the next one, it's closing above that zone. So you see, it didn't give a nice closure for looking for that, but let's see. Yes, we can do that. Yeah. Mm, I don't feel like doing for the freeloaders. Are these from the freeloaders or from the? Mm, okay, let's. Okay, if this 4 hour gives or hourly gives a top wick, the cells looks like coming in. Because the price is breaking its lows, most likely the price is gonna keep continue fall from here. Yes. Yeah. If it 4 hour gives a top wick, man, this is going to be a good sells. But if you see the previously, even though the price push up, but with a lot of drama, you see all these wicks up, down, up, down, up, down. So the same thing might happen here. Mm-hmm. A roller coaster ride. Mm. The way this drop, the way this hourly push down, it's iffy. It's iffy that it might go up now from here. Unless maybe for this session at least. Maybe who knows in the London session or NY session it starts again breaking those highs and keep continue pushing it up, which I really wanted to happen. So we get into those buys and following those trends. You gave me away on Thursday night how to claim it. What? Good night, Ray. Take care, man. Yeah. All I need is a top wick for taking these cells. That's it. If it give me top wick, this is going to be some nice sell side. Who's ready for the giveaway? Without wig, that's not fair goal. Yeah, exactly. Without top wig, it's not fair goal. But you also need to see it's breaking the daily lows. It's breaking the session lows. Yes, sometimes yes. Now you want me to do the giveaway. Hmm. This is robbery. Yeah. Yeah, let's. Okay, guys, tab 1 for the giveaway. Yes, tab 2 for no giveaway. Let's see. Now you're gonna check the speed. 1 for the giveaway, 2 for the no giveaway. All right, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2. All right, 2, 2, 1, 3. Yeah, yeah. Hmm. Yeah, Spark is saying no. All that's up, no. Imran, no. Then let's do the giveaway for the VIPs then. Forget about this freeloaders. Let's do the for the VIP. How about that? Yeah. The yeah. Yeah, let's do that. So all right, for this trade, I'm still waiting for the top wick. Okay. If the price give me a topic and then drop, then I'm gonna get into some sales. Other than that, no. Okay, I'm already up for tonight, so I'm not gonna get more greedy to do that. For the freeloaders only if they make 200k likes. All right, yeah, Imran, good call. Yeah, if before I end the live, if we hit 100k likes, we're gonna do the giveaway for the freeloaders. Other than that, I'm only gonna do for our members here. um, and meanwhile I'm waiting for the topic. Okay, all right, so Kitty, I'm gonna place myself, or maybe later, who knows. Who else is here? Imran, uh, Tim is here, Spar. What? Light 13 is also here. Yeah, I'm not sure what's his name even on the TikTok. Yeah, but what's his name on the TikTok? uh, mm, Location. Shoaib. Shoaib. Show. All right. Pablo. Pablo Escobar. Mm. Mhm. We're gonna we're gonna mm. Mm. All right. Mm. Let's say Teza, Rame, Zero, Neil, Reed. Okay. Where is Jane? He's absent today. Mm. Play. All right, looks like everybody's here. We have almost 22 entries. Still waiting for Bablu. Yes, Bablu Bhaiji, don't worry. You're already in. And Pablo, half. Okay, Pablo. Why you not full label? Why you're half? I'm here. Nicole. Yes, I think I already add you. Let me check. Neil. You Neil, right? Okay, what I'm waiting for here is the topic. Hi, I'm here. Yes, Chelsea. Why are you jumping here and there? Trading solution. Hmm. This is not for freeloaders, guys. Topic on hour? Yes, on hour and the 4 hour. All right, so far it's beautiful volume right now. Nothing is happening. So what we need to do here is just relax. Snipers in. Okay. Um, Anyways, are you guys in any trade yet? Are you in the buys or sells or anything or no? Are you waiting for the signal? Hey, thanks for the heart. Jean is here, right on time. Any good for the NQ? Okay, let's check what's NQ doing. Wait. All right, NQ, NQ, NQ. Hmm. I mean, yes, if you tell me before this hourly starts pushing down, then yes, there might be, I would say. But now, why? Because you see here, clean range on the left, and the price starts breaking these lows. The hourly give a closure. You might able to take the sell side from this buy. Sorry, this hourly candle, clean range on the left, and it can still push down, but the train is already left the station. If you're in the sells, guys, enjoy your sells. If you're in the, don't try to take the buys. The price can still drop around 29,880 points. Okay, so right now, yes, if you wanna take like a fresh trade, no, it's late. So it's better get back to the gold. And let's do the giveaway then. Mm, go go go. Okay. Where's the way? All right. So far we have Kitty, Imran, Tim, Spark, Maskir, Legacia, Nambi, Shaw, Abe, Pablo, Escobar, Teza, Rain, Zero, Neil, Reed, Kay, Jane, Gurjot, Blee, Tyson, Asif, Annie, and Aaron. This is going to be the last man standing. I'm shuffling the names in case Spark said this is red, because most of the time Spark is the first one we kicked out. All right, let's spin the wheel. This is going to be the 50K Lucid Flex account. First, as usual, Tim Very, very congratulations, team. You're the first one who get out. Don't be so happy. And now the next one is, of course, Asif or Lucasia. Oh, close call. Yes, she is the previous winner. So you don't need it anyway, Lucasia. So it's fine. It's fine. Now, Miss or Mr. Imran or Aaron. Oh, it's doing this. So be careful. Mm-hmm. And Nambi or Neil? Neil. Mm, Jin or Asif? Asif, Asif, Asif. Jin is still here. He's inside. I think Asif is not here today. Otherwise, he's in the chat. No. Oh, Kitty, Kitty, Kitty. Ah, Imran. And Reed. Fancy pants. No more fancy pants. Spark. Okay. I don't think she's here though. Bablu. Mr. Tyson. AKA Bablu. Yeah. Of course, Mr. Pablo Escobar. Bleh. I didn't see her now. Where is she? She comes to the yeah. I didn't. Okay. Who's this, Kitty? Who's this? Who? Show? Just show, right? How come you're still surviving in this wheel and not anymore? Meow, meow. Spark is still in. Numbi is in. Ram is in. Teza, Zero, Jane. And here we go. All right. Mr. Numbi. Numbi, Numbi. Mm-hmm. Let's see. Here comes the spark. Wow, Kitty. Good call. Good call. Who's next, Kitty? Who's next? Do you think is gonna win? Zero. Zero's gonna win? Yeah, okay. Now who's next? Uh Tessa. Oh all right. Miss Gear. Yeah. Who's next, Kitty? Well, now we have four more. Who's next? Good job. Okay. Oh, All right, now we have Jane, Zero, and Annie. Mm. And of course, all right, let's see. Annie. All right, now three of us. Guys, who's gonna win? Type in the chat if you think. Please. Huh? Mm-hmm. Let's ask chat. All right. Stay tuned is zero. Zero the hyper. Wildcard entry. I'm gonna win. All right, zero. Why you guys think zero? I think it's Jane or me, of course. All right, let's see. And here we go. Here's your zero. Here's your zero. The hyper is gone. Now it's between me and Jin. Jin, are you here in the chat? If you're not, no worries. But you need to win this. How do you always survive the last round? Because Spark, this is rigged. AFX. Alright, guys, who's gonna win? Let's see. If I win, we're gonna do the respin. So I think you should do vote for me. AFX or Jin. But yeah, but if he's not here, then you can tell, you can choose on behalf of him. Yeah, it's fine. I mean, if he's not here, yeah, yeah. If he's not here, I mean, you can you can choose it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, it's up to you. Whatever you want to choose. Okay, we can ask the chat whatever they decide. Yeah, you can. Mm. So picks on whoever lands on, right? Whoever name show up, he's the winner, right? So this arrow came on my name, I'm the winner, right, Jin? And if the arrow come on your name, I'm the winner because it's the last man, right? He's like, okay. He's like, okay. So it means if the arrow's on my name, I'm the winner. If arrow's on your name, I'm the winner because that's the last one. He's like, just spin it, man. He's like, I don't care. Just spin it. Mm. All right. So he said, whoever comes, you're gonna choose, right? So the first name is the winner. All right. Let's spin this. Let's see. Of course, Mr. AFX. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. Now it's up to me if I wanna do the respin or if I just wanna keep this account. No, why can't I just keep it for myself, right? it's 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 already done though. Yeah, no, it's all right. So let me hold it for you, FX. Yes, baller. Yeah, please pass it for me, and then So Jin, what you wanna do now? Since you lose this, Jin, are you here in the chat? All right, you know what I can do here? I can respin it. Let's do the respin. If it lands on you, you can have it. How about that? No, on Jane. Where are you coming from? You? It's me, Jane. Here, okay, he's in the Discord now. All right, Jane. So let me spin again. I'm giving you a second chance. All right. If the it lands on you, you can have this. That's it. But of course, I'm gonna win this again because this match is fully rigged. Uh, uh, all right. All right, here we go. Congratulations, Jin. Congratulations. Good try, good try. Yeah. Mm, mm. Thank you. I really needed that. Yeah. Yeah. If I win the second one, I would give you the third try. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah. You're such a drama queen though. What's up with the dry thumb? The thumb is always dry. Who used the wet thumb? Chad, I'm not that, you know that. I'm straight. What? Oh, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna get that sound deck and then I'm gonna record your voice, and then whenever I'm gonna play that over and over again. Oh, this one is 130. Hmm. Told you so. Told you so. Mm. Yeah, we will know tomorrow in New York session what happened. Yes. This is the zone we need to look for because this is where the previously the price actually range. If we respect this and then starts pushing up, or it's gonna drop from here. Good enough from me. Yeah, take care, Shoaib. Take care, man. Yeah, Jin, I send you the details about the account. Okay. This is the music, the instrumental music from the songs. Some famous songs, so they make like instrument from. I can send you on Discord. Yeah. You need the full track or you just need the specific one? Yeah, I do. Okay. Yeah, the composer for this music, I really like him. His name is A.R. Rahman. Oman, I don't think they behave very well. Hmm. Yeah, this is like a mashup. So right now it's playing at 10 minutes. So if you pull up to the 10 minutes, you're gonna hear the same tune. Mm. तू ही रे, तू ही रे. This is the song. This is kind of oldie song. Maybe this new generation they don't even know. Maybe all adds up now. Oh, oh. Why? Why? She always say, baby Drake, baby Drake. I was like, okay. right, here she comes. Alright, guys, bye. I'm gonna call it a night. Take care. You should sleep. That's why I say it's for old people. Like old people sleeps early. Kitty, you need to save me now. Kitty, Kitty, you need to save me. Yes, but I identify myself as 23. All right. Oh, yeah. Mhm. Lazy. What if this hourly just, I mean, the next hourly just back all the way up? 4 hour? Because you've been just training few months. But, mm, mm-hmm, yeah. But if the 4 hour flip from here, hmm? Yeah. Ah. Mm. Maybe he's missing somebody at the backyard. She, she, she's a, she's missing somebody at backyard. But- and you're gonna, she's gonna be in the backyard, and you're staying in between. Yeah. Oh, lovebirds. Yeah. I will get you a macaw, a big one. It's gonna tear your house. Mm. They're gonna. So your birds, do they eat wires? Like they crack the walls? Mm, nothing like that? Mm. What if we take a buy from here without any confirmation? Just take a buy for the sake of the buy because we feel like taking the buy. Mm. Or if this gives a closure about this hourly, uh, it's about to close in 3 minutes, it's in the range. I thought it still have some time, so it might just flip, and then on the next one we can look for buys, but it's gonna close in next 3 minutes. Who knows? Maybe it just flip. But if it just giving closure here, that requires some volume and some news, a big news. So this week so far we have nothing. Let's see next week. Oh, next week we have bunch of newses. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Fridays. Yeah. So this week it's little slow. We only have so far unemployment claims on Thursday. That's it. Other than that, we have clean. We just need to depend on technicals only. Let's go for it. Imran is like, let's go for it. No, no, bro, take a break. Yes, take a break, man. Take a break. Mhm. I mean, I'm already like way up for the day, so I'm just $39. That's it. 139. That's nothing. That is nothing. Back to GC. All add ups. All add ups. Uh, so you know what? I think maybe you should try the Lucy Daily one. The way you trade, even though on the eval you have that intraday drawdown, but it might suits your personality because the way you trade, like you try to go big and you try to make more in single trade instead of I mean going for the base hits. The way I trade, like I try to capture 500, 1000, 300, 200 each account and over the 5 days to get that payout. The way you trade, I think you're like YOLO kind of trader. So if that works, yeah, but mm, okay, but mm, yeah, but you capture more. I mean, you trade hold and long for more, right? Eh, but you also oversize as well. Now you're in. Okay, 50. So it's still 1.5 mini for GC. Yeah, that's still a lot on 50K, on 50K account or 150K. Or a new hourly just open. Why are you talking from so far? Yes. No, the daily thing is, I mean, they have, why I said, because right now they have the 40% off. Plus, also, I think you should try at least one time. Maybe it suits your personality, because the way you trade, it might be suitable for you, who knows? Like, it's the same, you remember what you're trying to do with the TPT? So they have, uh, n- yeah. So yeah, you can get the trade C, the Lucid Direct one, trade on the trade C, you know. Yeah, I mean, you're getting from Lucid, and you can choose the trade C. It's the same exact thing. Yeah, yeah. All right, Mr. Light 13, what is he sending? Okay, he's selling, and then he's still in the cells. Okay. All right. Total 2000. Total you are okay, good. Or they can do the total number of I mean, wait, Light 13. So this is what I'm seeing here. It's total PNL. Is it from all of your accounts, or is it just one account to 2173? All okay, all right, yeah, good man, nice, good one, good one. Kitty, you should have take the pies. Why you didn't take the pies? Look, now the price is pushing up. Why you didn't take those pies? Come on. For once, just listen to me. For God's sake, Kitty. And now look, this 4 hours is gonna just push up, gonna flip, and continue pushing up. Why you never listen to me, Kitty? Why? Why? Why you? Why you? Why you always listen all adds up? Why? Eh? Hmm. Yeah, today I stay at home all day. I didn't leave the house. No, I was because yesterday I sleep late. Why? Because the day before I wake up late, and then that it messed up little bit my schedule. Then I, after the New York session, I go back, sleep, wake up, and I don't feel like doing anything. I just stay home, eat some fruit, and enjoy my time. And that's where I was looking at the games, right? So I used to play that Mobile Legend, but it's not available anymore. They only have the US version, they don't have any global. So I was looking the similar game, and I get to the conclude with that League of Legends. I, I never played that, but it had the same concept. But I'm telling you, if you also do that, we can do the live here with the game. You're gonna have fun. I'm telling you, it's good game. It's fun. If I need to check it, if they have the same kind of graphics and idea, I didn't start it yet. If it is, yeah, yeah. Yeah, first let me try it, because the Dota 2, it's going to be very difficult for you. It's very tough. But this one, it seems like easy, so we can play that. If If I'm gonna play the horror game with you, you're gonna see me sitting like this. And okay, oh, ooh, just like that. No, no, nah, that's not me. That's not me. Hmm. Why don't you just close your charts and call it a night? All right, yeah. Once this 4 hour, yeah, even if this 4 hour flip and you're gonna place your stops at this current 4 hour lows, it's going to be 150 tick stop. Hmm. The volume is very amazing right now, as you can see. Yeah. War game, yeah. Yes, Mr. Jin, war game. Mm. Mhm. Yep. It let me. It's. Is it on the Steam or no? League of Legends. Play for free. Hmm. Okay. You can. Who said you cannot? I mean, it's a signal for you, Kitty, that you need to take some trade. You need to blow it before you sleep it, you know. Yes, Jane. 50k flags. Why? So you don't want to blow those accounts right now? But Kitty, it's not fun then. Very nice. Good night. Yes, take care, Jane. Take it easy, man. See you. Mhm. Did you download the game? Yes. Yes. I'm trying to do it, so Okay, it's installing right now. It's not on the Steam. Yeah, it's just Google it and go from their website. This is a, I think, the free game, so you're not paying anything. Yeah, I think this is 30 gig, so it's down. Yeah, yeah. Just sign up with your email, and then they will give you the download file. Install it in your computer. In 30 gigs, so I think it take what, like 10 minutes. What's your internet speed? So you basically cross all adds up. Anybody else know about this game? Any expert in the chat? Or YouTube guys, I'm gonna call it a day for you. Okay, if you wanna come on the TikTok.